Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lightroom presets on desktop and mobile step by step clearly. To activate Lightroom presets on your desktop, start by opening the Lightroom application. Once the application is open, navigate to the Develop module. In the left panel, you will see a section labeled Presets. Right-click on the Presets section to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Import. A file browser window will open. Locate the preset files you wish to import on your computer. Select the files and click the Import button. Once imported, the presets will appear in the Presets panel. To apply a preset, simply click on the desired preset. The changes will be reflected immediately in your photo. Now, let's move to activating presets on the mobile version of Lightroom. Open the Lightroom mobile app on your device. Tap on the plus icon to create a new album or select an existing one. Import a photo into the app by tapping Add Photos. Once your photo is loaded, tap on the editing icon at the bottom. Swipe left to find the Presets option. Tap on the Presets option to access your existing presets. If you need to import new presets, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Select the option to Import Presets. Locate the preset files in your device storage. Tap on the files to begin the import process. After importing, your presets will appear in the Presets section. To use a preset, simply tap on it. You'll see the changes apply to your photo in real time. With these steps, you can now activate and use presets effectively on both desktop and mobile Lightroom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.